going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We're in the basement today. See, the basement floor's backed up. We're gonna be snaking out this clean out here on the stack and seeing if we can get this thing cleared up.
Do you need anything?
No, I'm okay.
Oh.
Thank you.
Yeah. So do you know why it's happening like that?
I don't know yet. I'm gonna see if I pull anything out, but...
In the morning someone came to fix the upstairs sink.
Okay.
Or washroom sink. Change the pipe. So since that it's happening.
Yeah,
But it's not the first time, you know.
that shouldn't have affected this. If they're changing like pipes and stuff like that,
Yeah.
that shouldn't be affecting the drain. But I'm not too sure. I might pull something out and then I could say, yeah, it's this, but it could be a number of things.
Maybe.
So I believe that's going to be the spot. Pull it out, see if we got anything. So it looks like there's a little bit of roots in the drain. So we're going to have to get this line video inspected. So we're going to make a call and get this done, and if they want me to stick around, I will continue recording. If not, this is where we're going to leave this. I want to thank you guys for watching. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Until next time, Trogna.